Gisingin na ang diwa, salubungin ang umaga. Handa ka na ba? Masdan mo ang daluyong, umaagos ang pagtulong sa kapwa, sa kapwa. May sinag sa iyong puso na hindi na maitatago. Ang silong mo'y lisanin na. Liwanag mo'y sisigla kung tayo'y magsasama-sama sa lupa nating naghihingalo. Tayo ang pagbabago, sabay nating suyuin. Mailap na pagkakaisa sa pagsikat ng bagong araw. Buong pusong isigaw na tayo ang pagbabago. Yakapin ang pagkakaiba. Liwanag mo'y sisigla kung tayo'y magsasama-sama sa lupa nating naghihingalo. Tayo ang pagbabago, sabay nating suyuin. Mainap na pagkakaisa sa pagsikat ng bagong araw. Buong pusong isigaw na tayo ang pagbabago, sabay nating suyuin. Mainap na pagkakaisa sa pagsikat ng bagong araw. Buong pusong isigaw na tayo ang pagbabago. Tayo ang pagbabago. Liwanag natin iisa, kaya tayo nang magsama-sama sa lupa nating naghihingalo. Tayo ang pagbabago, sabay nating suyuin. Mailap na pagkakaisa sa pagsikat ng bagong araw. Buong pusong isigaw na tayo ang pagbabago, sabay nating suyuin. Mailap na pagkakaisa sa pagsikat ng bagong araw. Buong pusong isigaw na tayo ang pagbabago. Bago. Tayo ang pagbabago.
Maayong gabi, Pilipinas!
Maayong gabi, everyone!
And welcome to Tayo Talks. Napaka-tayo natin ngayon, Trish. Isa lang yung mic natin.
Oo, B, para daw close.
At para unity. Kasi syempre, importante naman talaga united tayo as always. And that's why we wanna start this day or wanna end or cap our night na masaya. Kasi kanina, Trish, napagod ka ba?
Parang di naman.
Parang di naman, pero halos walang tulog kasi pero alam mo, mas pagod kahapon. Kasi kahapon pumunta tayo ng Embassy of the Philippines, US Embassy in the Philippines. Tayo lang tayo at saka matalino, pero di tayo perfect. Tapos, pumunta din tayo ng Senate kung saan nakita natin yung ating mga senador, At tapos nakikipag-usap kay Senator Angara. Tapos nakita ko din, Trish, na napaka-attentive at napaka-participative ng ating mga top 20 finalists. Nakipag-usap talaga sila kay Senator Angara. Oo. Tapos ngayong araw na to, Trish, bakit ka napagod?
Actually, today na siguro, feeling ko, nahawa na lang ako sa kaba. Nahawa na lang ako.
Ginawa kong assistant.
Oo, binahiya naman ako sa'yo. Nahawa na ako sa kaba ng participants and ng finalists, including our amazing 18 judges. Because today was the national presentation day of our 20 national finalists. So, imaginein mo, from the day that they submitted their project entry, today na yung finally, tapos na ako mag-pitch for Tayo. Para lang clear, no? For the 20th Search for Tayo Award. So, talagang kabado, and hopefully after hours of waiting for all our co-fellows, co-participants to finish their presentations, ginhawa naman.
Tama. And that's why we also want to highlight na this year is very special because it is our 20th anniversary of the Tayo Awards Foundation. That's why tinatawag natin itong Siklab, ang theme ngayon, because the purpose is to reignite the fire that's within us. Kasi alam mo naman, yung mga ka-BSRs natin dyan, ng mga nanonood or everyone that can relate to us, na meron talaga tayong passion and fire within us. Hindi siya minsan napapagod o nababurn out. Pero it's always for us to reignite it. Tama ba, Trish?
Yes. And speaking of reignite, tonight is a very important, very special, and very exciting Tayo Talks episode. Kung hindi mo natatanungin, as a Tayo Secretariat oldie, wow, thank you. Parang wala pa doon. Yes, wala, nearly. So as one of the secretariat na wala na po sigurong age and year reveal. Pero previously, in our Tayo Talks episode, this doesn't necessarily happen online. Tayo Talks actually started as a series of caravan visits all over the Philippines, may that be in universities, in local government units, etc. But, not just the world change, but our situations, lockdown, COVID, and everything, we migrated Tayo Talks into an online talk show. But this episode, bakit siya important? Ask me, Shem.
Why?
Thank you. Such an amazing question. Why? Okay. This is important because, and this is exciting because this is the very first Tayo Talks episode that we are doing during Tayo Week.
Oh my God. Imagine how hard it is now na ginagawa natin siya at the same time. So before, Trish, wala pa mga finalists noon na sa Tayo Week, sa Tayo Talks.
Exactly. So Tayo Talks happens before the search and during the search process. And so for those who are watching us online, maybe you were one of our audiences from other Tayo Talks episodes before, when we talk about advocacies, when we talk about specific topics that really trigger interest young people here in the Philippines. But for now, hindi lang siya promotional events during the whole year, but now we are bringing Tayo Talks specifically on Tayo Week when everything will siklab.
Uwi na ako, ang ganda nun. Wala tayong script pero ang galing nun. Palakpakan naman natin. Ang galing ng ating live audience pala ngayon today. Mamaya, makikita nyo sila kasi they are one of our guests and audiences at the same time. Kaya nga, tayo na lahat. Kaya naman natin, diba? But also, since this episode is really ultimately special, you wanna know why? Ask me why.
Why?
No, C#.
Why?
Because we are being live streamed. Kaya, eto na ang debut namin ni Patricia Matute bilang hosts. So kung si Tito Boy might talk or the talk, kami may Tayo Talks. Anyway, we are being live streamed today. So, sa lahat ng mga nanonood at nagsumusuporta sa mga kanilang mga orgmates na nandito ngayon who made it to the top 20 finalists of our of the Tayo Award, accomplished youth organizations, please comment and just spread your love and all your support para sa kanila, para wherever you are in the Philippines or the world, damang-dama nila yung support nyo. I'm so sorry if my Tagalog is not so well because I'm not here. I'm not from here originally. And also my English is not so well as well. Nagkakaya. But also, and kung nanonotice ka a lot, that's the whole point of this talks. Tayo talks a lot. So, this show wouldn't be even, not the show, that hindi lang yung show, but also yung entire event won't be any at all possible without our sponsors. Can you tell us more about them, Trish?
For sure. Hinga ka muna, Shem. Great. So, again, just like what Shem mentioned, everything, this Tayo Talks episode, us gathering again together after 2 years, gathering again for 2 years won't be possible without the support of our amazing sponsors, the Coca-Cola Foundation Philippines, San Miguel Corporation, and the very best supporters that we have, the Asia Foundation, OSAID, and the U.S. Embassy here in the Philippines.
Hindi ko nakikita, Trish, kasi wala akong eyeglasses. Ano yun? Minsan kasi hindi natin kita lahat. So, kailangan natin humingi ng tulong sa ating mga kababayan. So, Trish, pakitulong naman.
Like what we said, we are doing this live. And so, please extend your grace, your patience, and your laughter with us. Kung nakita nyo, anong meaning nun, B? This is that moment. And so, we'll go back, we'll get back to you. You'll be meeting a lot of our friends and co-finalists and amazing friends after this very, very quick short break. And so, please stay on. Call more of your friends to watch with us. Comment, share, react. Go for it. We'll see you in a minute.
Gulat kayo, no? So, Trish, may surprise tayo para sa kanila.
Yes, let's do it.
In 3, 2, 1! Tada! Na-surprise ba kayo? Bilang kayo ang audience, kayo din yung guest natin. So, na-surprise ba kayo? Yes! Hindi kasi nila alam, nag-teleport sila bigla dito sa aming likod. Ganito kami dito sa Tayo. Ganyan din ba kayo?
Yes, ako na sumagot. I'd like to ask some of our friends, please stand up, especially yan, JN, tayo ka kasi maharangan ka. Siyempre, dapat airtime. Okay, game. There. Just checking, guys. Alam ko, baka mamaya magalit yung fans and yung org mates ng ating mga finalists kung hindi sila masyado kita. So, babam. Oh, kita na ba lahat? Or, step back. Panalo. Perfect. Okay, we'll introduce you to some of our finalists and friends. In a quick, I'll ask you to just share your name and your organization, where you're from, province. Kung kaya nyo mag-Miss Universe, do it. Kerry, let's start with you.
So, good day. I am Robin Mijares. I'm the Executive Director of Youth Uprising Philippines, where we are working to change agriculture in the Philippines one school at a time, one student at a time, with the mission that the Filipino youth will never be hungry, but will always have the hunger for change.
Next. Grabe naman yun.
Hi, I am Kendrick Clement M. Reyes, the Business Development Lead of Educine, and we make independent Filipino films accessible and affordable to all Filipinos and abroad.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Powered on nyo from Break the Fake Movement. We are a local media and information literacy organization that champions the country through responsible digital citizenship and combating disinformation.
Good evening, everyone. I'm center talaga. Good evening, everyone. I'm DJ from NSP Camera PH. NSP is the National Society of Parliamentarians. It's a network of parliamentarians and policy advocates. For Camera PH, it's the youth arm of NSP, wherein we focus on civic education initiatives for the youth. So, next.
Hi guys, good evening. I'm Raymart Garcia. I'm the SK chairperson of the second largest barangay in the Philippines, SK Maningning Barangay Commonwealth from Quezon City, Metro Manila. And in SK, we make the dream of the youth possible. Thank you.
Hello, maray na hapon. Maray na banggi sa Induga Boss. I am James Nathaniel Rifuyo. I am the current executive director of Act Now for a Now movement. It's a collaborative movement in Bato, Camarines Sur and right now expanding across Bicol region.
Okay, so hi, I'm Rod Charlie de los Reyes. You can call me Charlie from Open Arms Organization, wherein we champion people with different abilities, and I'm from Batangas.
Nandito na ang mga artista ng bayan mula sa Isla ng Alabat. Ako po si Gabe Villarreal, ang artistic director ng Pintakasi.
Parang ang hirap sundan nun. All the way from the Queen City of the North, Santiago City, Isabela, from Project Tala Organization, Mark Bata Soto.
Save the best for last. Just maray na banggi po sa Induga Boss. My name is Joshua Calbarcelon, the Program Director of Albayang Farmers Program, and we cultivate the minds of the Albayano youth. From the land of the majestic Mount Mayon, Legazpi City, Albay!
Grabe, punong-puno ng energy. Parang sponsored ng Coca-Cola PH. Grabe. Trish, kaya ba natin higitan yun?
Yes, feeling ko kaya pa ng energy. Let's go!
Kayang-kaya talaga. But parang bitin yung exposure nila, no? So that's why now we would want to hear more from them and we would want to hear their thoughts kung ano yung mga thoughts nga, yung mga iniisip nila nasa mga through these words na binibigay natin sa kanila as of now. So our finalists, our top 10 na nandito, first half ng ating top 20 ay binigyan natin ng mga cards na naglalaman ng mga keywords. Isa lang tong word, pero they are to expound their thoughts on it. First thing, so kung nakikinig kayo mga tao dyan, anong gagawin, children? Expound. Perfect. Ganyan talaga yung mga tayo. Siya exposure. So, first thing that comes to mind, so that means you don't have to overthink. You don't have to overthink. But yun lang, kung anong first thing na lumabas sa isip nyo, yun lang yung sabihin nyo. Hindi to contest, ha? Oo, so hindi to part ng criteria for judging. So right now, we will start with you. What is your word? And expound mo kung ano yung naisip mo nung nakita mo yung word na yan. For example, nakita ko word dito, sibuyas. So i-expound ko, naku na, ang galing talaga ng golden era. Just kidding. Yeah, ganun. Ganun lang. So what are your thoughts when you saw that? Okay? What is your word and what are your thoughts?
So my word is roommate. So the first thing that came across my mind is actually in this circle, my roommate is Charlie. So when also there in the back of the room, I have a roommate also from Iligan Safe Spaces. So kanina lang we went to Solidaridad, a bookshop here in Ermita. So it was a fun experience again to be connected again with books. So yeah.
Okay, next.
Ayan. So, ang grab. So, naririnig natin to all throughout the Tide 20 Awards. And siguro kung bibigyan pa natin ng mas malalim na impression ito, Siklab kasi English is Ignite. So, itong Siklab na ito ay from the day one, or I mean from the start of our journey, lahat ng mga youth organizations ay nagpasiklab na kani-kanilang galing. At sa gabing ito ay patuloy tayo nagpapasiklab ng ating pagmamahal, ng ating intensyon at paglilingkod sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ka, Pilipinas!
Alam niyo, pangarap ko talagang makapagtagalog ng ganun. Ang ganda pakinggan. Hindi ko siya kaya. Yung Tagalog ko pang grade 2. So, galing pa nga sila sa akin eh. Okay, you're next.
So, yung word na nakuha ko is van. So, para sa akin, the first na nag-come up, yung first day of Tayo Week. Shout out Van 3. So, dito kami, dinala kami nito sa US Embassy and the Senate of the Philippines. So, yeah.
Thank you so much. Next!
Nagtatawanan sila, nakipagpalitan. So, may nabunot ko is Tayo Crushy. Yeah. Actually, wala. Kasi I'm into a relationship 2 years. Shout out sa bebe koy. But during Tayo, I really admire all my co-finalists. Sobrang gagaling nyo guys. I'm so inspired sa lahat ng projects. And I know na lahat tayo winner na. Thank you.
Galing-galing nun. Okay, next.
Ako na. Yung word na napunta sa akin is judging. So, fresh pa siya kasi nangyari siya today. So, masasabi ko, we all did our best. So, dun pa lang, panalo na tayo lahat. And whatever, kung ano man yung result, we are all winners here kasi wala, judging, from the word judge, iba-iba yung perspective nila sa atin. So, just enjoy the moment and nourish everything. So, yeah.
Okay, last!
Alright, sa akin naman ay buffet. Alam namin na aside sa busog na busog kami sa food dito, we have also buffet of experiences and of course, stories and learning from other organizations and looking forward na more organizations na mag-join tayo this year.
Okay, amazing. So, let's make it snappier for our next group of people. Okay, papakita ko yung word and then you just say the first thing that pops into your head nung nakita nyo yung word. Okay? Pagkasabi nyo ng word, pasa nyo dyan sa 4 lang kayo. So, pasa nyo lang sa isa't isa. Got it? Got it. Okay, let's start with girl.
Let's go.
The word is siklab.
Gusto ko nang sumiklab.
Siyempre, yan yung pinaka-intense kanina. Tama, di ba? Intense. Ay, one word ba? Sorry, hindi nakikinig, no? Intense.
Okay, next. Buffet.
Sharab. Sharab.
Grabe, hirap niyan. Masaya.
Perfect!
Minsan talaga masaya sa van. Minsan, lalo na pag road trips. Huy, minsan masaya sa van. Gusto ko, for example, pumunta ng LU pag nagva-van ka. Or ngayong, March 14, kay Harry Styles, magva-van tayo papunta doon sa Bulacan. Tama yan. So mga pupunta doon, see you guys. But right now, later on, we will be meeting the other half 20 finalists. So sa mga gusto mag-sponsor dyan, talas, para marami kayo sa commercial break. But we will be right back after the break. choreography namin. Napaka-creative talaga ng tayo. It's so unexpected. But like right now, we are here with the other half of the top 20 finalists, and I'm pretty sure as much as I am very excited also, ganun din kayo, di ba? Jumble-jumble na yung words ko, to meet the rest of them. So we will be meeting the rest of them through the first one.
Okay, name, org, and where you're from.
Hello everyone, I am John and I am the SK chairperson of Barangay Kalumpang General Santos City. And yung project po namin is Pandemic Within Pandemic program or Panday Panday program, na kung saan ay we are giving a holistic approach of assisting our young people living with HIV. Ayun.
Magandang gabi, Pilipinas! Ladies and gentlemen who are ladies and you who are gentlemen, I am Ezel Ambanan from the city of Golden Friendship, representing the Bayanihan sa Agrikultura para sa Kabatanunan, Kaumahan o Katubigan, also known as the Baka! Yes. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.
Gusto ko lang sabihin na I aspire that energy. Sige, good evening sa tanan. Maayong gabi sa tanan. I am Colleen Awit from the City of Smiles, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. And I'm from the Youth Empowering Youth Initiative Incorporated. And our project is Sagup Negros, where we turn rescued food into good food.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ako si Brian Christian Atención from the Order of Asclepius, nagahalin sa City of Love, Iloilo City.
Ayan, a peaceful evening, each and everyone. I am Siti Asiamay from Shafat Agriculture Cooperative, and our project is called Mushroom for Change because we do believe that there is much room for a change in mushroom.
Mayang gabi sa atong tanan. Ian Ambradura from Iligan Safe Space of Iligan City. We are an LGBTQ plus org where we understand each other, validate one another, and heal together.
Hi everyone, I am Renoa and I am from Cebu, and I'm here representing Set Forth Philippines, an educational initiative that aims to provide equal and accessible learning opportunities for all Filipino children.
Good morning, everyone! I am Therese Napoli from the Queen City of the South, Cebu! A loud and proud scout from the Leaders Council, where we aim to transform CICLs from children in conflict with the law to children ignited with care and love!
Hello everyone, my name is Coco Gaudiel, Coco with the K. I am from the City of Character, Bayan City, Negros Oriental. I'm representing the Bio Youth Collective. We are an intergenerational network of advocates that believe in youth empowerment as a primary pillar that drives sustainable development. Thank you.
Madaya, umayong gabi kaninyong tanan. I am Neil Eresco, chairperson of the Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay Talomo River, where we advocate towards quality and equitable access to education through our mathematics online enrichment program entitled Project Descartes.
Grabe, sa'yo mga tayo finalists natin, mga rapper din pala sila. Ganito tayo lahat, rap battle to Oo, bilisan natin. Kaya nyo mag-keep up, but right now, yung gagawin nating game ay katulad lang din nung kanina para fair, para di sila magdabog na parang, ano ba yan, pinapahirapan nyo kami. So right now, ganun pa rin but different set of words, okay? Snappy pa rin, kagaya ng ginawa ni Trish. Trish, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
As much as they are?
Yes.
Okay, first one.
Inom.
Nang Coke.
Sorry? March month.
Juice.
I will bring it home.
One word.
Years old.
I love it. Wait, Tito, 10 points for me. Are you ready?
I will be an awardee.
Coca-Cola. March 11?
Mansari nila yun.
Orange na Coke.
Coca-Cola kaya nyo yan.
Bring home the trophy.
Ang witty nilang lahat. Di ko kaya, Mi. Pero dahil sa kawitihan nila, hindi ko kayo yung energy. Magko-commercial ulit tayo. Oo. Thank you so much. Pero we will be right back again for more games. And it will be a bit twisted and fun hanggang sa maubos yung energy naming lahat. So, hindi matatapos tong talk show na to hanggat sa may energy pa kami. Okay? See you later on. We will be back.
Act Now for a Now movement is a collaborative initiative among our stakeholders from government institutions, business sectors, and civil society organizations that empower Batueños and Bicolanos to create positive change. That's why we have Bato Lake Guardian Fellowship.
The Albay Young Farmers Organization Incorporated is a youth-led, agriculture-oriented organization based in Albay. It seeks to rekindle the youth's interest in agriculture and encourage them to become more engaged in promoting agricultural development within their community.
Open Arms Organization is a trusted nonprofit that champions people in the margins. Our flagship program, Embrace a Child, brings access, rehabilitation, and social services to financially challenged people with different abilities.
Kami ang Pintakasi, binabuhay sa tao ang kwento at sining. Isang youth-led non-profit art organization, mga artista ng bayan sa isla ng Alabat para sa mga sining na panlipunang pagbabago.
Project Talo or Teatro para sa Aktibong Layunin at Adhikain is one of the youth-led initiatives and organizations in the city of Santiago. It utilizes the theater as the main platform in raising awareness about HIV and AIDS and in spreading the concept of acceptance and understanding.
Act Now for a Now move.
Game na ba? Game na! Alright, we are back in our first regional, cuter, intimate game segment. So, hello everyone! Welcome back. We'll do a quicker, funner? Is that a word? A more fun! Yes, a more fun para makita natin how our finalists are also bonding and building relationships throughout their 2 days together. Let's see kung paano ba, anong mga chismisan ang nangyayari sa van at sa group chat na hindi namin nalalaman. Alright. Parang meron. Okay, so our game is called Who's Who. So, our host will be giving out a situation, a scenario, an adjective. Oh, adjective, let's go. An adjective. And all of these representatives will have an arrow, and in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ituro nyo yung best person that fits that scenario, description, adjective, whatever. Got it?
Got it.
Got it. All right.
At ang ating groupings ay naaayon sa kanilang mga ugali. Just kidding. By the way, so they're not really expected to know each other that well kasi this is only the second day. So tingnan natin kung kilala nila lang each other as much as the questions are concerned. First contender sa ating Pera o Bayong IC, Paulo Ordonio. Woo, parang ganun, para masaya, para Second is Kendrick Reyes. Pangatlo ay si John Salvador Damdam. Fourth ay si Joshua Carl Barcelon. And then, last but not least, Renoa Rochelle King. Ayan. So, narinig nyo naman na kanina ang ating mechanics, right? So, hindi naman masyadong mahirap. So, yes? Oo. So, tuturo nyo lang kung sino. Pero kung feel nyo naman na ikaw yun, tuturo nyo lang yung sarili nyo. Okay? First question. Sino ang mukhang pinakamadaldal, aka talking machine? Di kasala yung hosts. Final verdict ay kay Brian, anong name? Sorry. Ay, sakit eh. Ay, si Josh. O, diba? Si Josh ang pinakamadaldal. Siya yung magiging host sa ating next episode sa Tayo Talks. Sino ang mukhang SOCMED influencer? Oy, si Josh sinuturo si Si Renoa. Oo nga eh. Pero ganyan naman talaga yung mga sokmed influencer nang bubudol yan sila. O kaya parang oo. So yan yung answers. Next question. Sino ang mukhang best in OOTD? Parang nasad si Kendrick. Hindi ako yung pinili. Kung nakita nyo lang sila sa day 1, you guys, ang dami na lang mga pakulo. Okay, pwede ba natin tingnan yung outfit ni ate girl? This is the OOTD for today. Who are you wearing?
Tayo and set forth.
Tayo and set forth. It's giving leadership. Next question. Sino ang mukhang mix congeniality? Mix kasi hindi yun miss, hindi yun mister. Ano ba kayo? So, sino yung Jesus Christ. Live tayo, guys. Tama. So, siya yung pinakamabait sa lahat na nandito sa stage. Mabait din naman tayo, Trish. Next one, sino ang mukhang tambay sa buffet table? Uy, once lang, 'di ba? Oo, sabi niya once lang.
Kasi kanina 6 a.m. pala nag-breakfast kami, so hindi pa ako kondisyon. Kaya, lang ako once lang ako pumunta.
Grabe yung defense niya doon. Uy, once lang ako. Pero, ganyan naman talaga sa buffet. Para di ka lugi, dapat ulit-ulitin. 6 to 8 a.m. Kung hanggang kailan mag-close, doon din kayo titigil kakain. Ganun dapat. Papagalitan kayo ng mama nyo. Next one, sino ang mukhang life of the party? Mga walang life. Dito, medyo hard yung labanan dito. Marami. So, I feel like silang 5 ay life of the party. Kita nyo naman, napakasaya ng ating studio. Thank you so much, Tayo Foundation. Next, sino ang mukhang laging late? Pwede din totoong laging late. Or mukhang laging late. Ayaw magturo? Ay! Huy! Okay, next question. Once lang. Hindi naman talaga nalilate yung mga tayo. Sure. Next question. Sino ang mukhang crush ng bayan? Pwede ka bang lumapit sa camera tapos patingin ng ng smile? Pag bilang ng 3, mag-riz ka. You got riz?
What's riz?
Are you like 30 or something? Riz na parang it's like smolder, in Gen Z language. Baba. Okay? Doggy, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Crush ng bayan nga naman talaga. Si Kendrick. Next one. Ang galing na, dinodog show lang natin. Sino ang gusto mong maging best friend? Tanungin natin kung bakit. Kasi ako din gusto ko to maging best friend. Kung taga Cebu lang ako, may best friend ko to eh. Siyempre, Avail. Ikaw, bakit mo siya maging best friend?
Sa sobrang daming problema sa buhay, Diyos, kailangan ng pampakalma. So, pagkausap ko siya, like parang, ang niya, ang palaging sinasabi niya, oh my God, like, oh my God. Naubos ang social battery ko dahil sa'yo, Renoa.
Tapos pansin nyo naman, nagkakabardagulan na ditong lahat, pero siya kalmado, parang gano'n na. Oo, sana gano'n din tayo para di tayo masabing masyadong bardagulan, di ba? I'm so excited also for the next set of finalists. Napaka-grabe ng energy dito, Trish. Ano kaya susunod?
At least ako nagre-recharge lang ako dito.
Ganun ba yun? Lumalapit pala kay Renoa para mag-recharge. Ako na lang din. Alright, so palakpakan natin yung ating first set ng ating separate games, ng ating Tayo Talks. Mamaya sa aming pagbabalik, tayo muna kayo dyan tapos mag-wave-wave. Ganyan sa mga talk show. Mamaya sa aming pagbabalik, ating malalaman kung sino ang mga nominated. Charing. And when we get back, my English is so wrong. Mamaya sa aming pagbabalik, iba na naman ang ating mga players dito at malalaman natin kung paano natin sila i-dog show. Bye!
Break the Fake Movement champions media literacy by combating disinformation since 2017. As our response to the pandemic, we developed Media Civics Lab, a leadership program to train SK leaders to address COVID disinformation.
EduCine is the first and the only block screening streaming platform for Filipino independent films in the country. EduCine is a social enterprise aiming to reach Filipinos here and abroad through affordable streaming of socially relevant and educational films.
NSP Camera PH is a trailblazer in immersing young Filipinos in policymaking. Our flagship program, Advocacy Lab, builds grassroots innovative solutions to address information gaps in voters' rights and democratic participation.
SK Commonwealth is recognized as one of the top 10 most outstanding SK Council in the Philippines. SK Job for Kabataan tungo sa magandang kinabukasan aims to provide employment opportunities, career exploration, and professional development among katipunan ng kabataan.
I'm Robin from Youth Uprising Philippines. We are an organization working to change agriculture in the Philippines, one school at a time, one student at a time, with the mission that the Filipino youth will never be hungry, but will always have the hunger for
Hindi kami inabot ang time, kaya may props kami. Ang galing. Galing kami dito ka nag-lap dance. Ang galing naman. Pero ayoko nito, Trish. Tagalin nga natin to. Parang di ko siya feel. So, handa na ba kayo para sa ating susunod na game? Hindi! Cooperate! Handa na ba kayo sa ating susunod na game? At ang tatawagin natin ay maglalaro sa game na Twerk It Like Miley. Hindi ko alam yung title ng game, but this is the mechanics. We will be giving you a character or a verb, a word, a position, and then you will be doing it. However it appears in your mind. Like, for example, kung sinabi kong sheep. So, paano yung sheep? Paano yung sheep? Ayan! Tama yan! Okay, play dead. So, ganon. Pero, they are gonna do it the same. The same? They are all gonna do it at the same time. Yung gusto kong sabihin. So, dito natin malalaman at matetest kung gaano sila ka-connected mentally. Parang telepathy game siya. So, that's the title of the game. Tatawagin natin ngayon ang ating participants ng Game 2.
Great! Okay, I'll call on our contestants. First, Therese Erlene Napuli. From Leaders Council, Davy J. Layton Engay from NSP Camera, Gabriel Villaruel from Pintacasi, Brian Chris. Parang di ako payag na ma-upstage ako. Sorry. Brian Christian Attention from Order of Asclepius and Lionel June. Neil Aresco. Okay, again, re-review lang tayo ng mechanics. And so, we will give you one word. And we'll count off in 3, 2, 1, pause. Gets? Dapat pare-pareho. Magkakaalaman kung anong nasa utak nyo. Kapag nasabi natin ang word. At bawal mag-usap. Baka mamaya, telepathy game guys ha. So like use your LDR powers. Wow, LDR powers! Okay, game. Let's do this. First word. Sumali ka, Shem. In 3, 2, 1. Ay, mali. Word pala. Okay, first word. Darna. In 3, 2, 1. Darna. Feeling ko, okay, from our audience, the judges, tanggap, pare-pareho ba sila? Yes, effort siya talaga, Bill. Okay, second word, ready? Oh guys, alam niyo na yung level of effort. So, keep up na lang us, no? Okay, second word, shark. 3, 2, 1, go!
In our defense, this is a family picture of shark.
Okay, magpakilala na lang ang family of sharks. Who are you in this family?
Daddy Shark.
Daddy Shark. Okay, next.
Yung rebeldeng anak.
Okay, next.
Kuya Shark?
With a question mark? Next.
The Bunso Shark.
The baby shark. Okay, next.
Yung shark na maraming kinain.
Hi. Oh, ando na! At, di ba, wala pa tayong mommy shark. So, ako na lang.
Okay, our next word is trophy. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Okay, kailangan kong ma-explain. I need to understand this. Feeling ko ito, may ano pong sinasahod niyo, sir?
Ano sinasahod? Mabigat kasi kailangan dalawang.
Mabigat. Ito, ano to?
Feeling ko ako si Lady Gaga. I want to take my family to this Oscar award. There may be 100 people in the room, but 99 will believe in you. Just one, and there's love in the difference.
Amazing! Next!
You hold it sa base and sa corner niya. So, kaya ganun.
So ito mga to, mina-manifest na yung kakapitan nila. Okay, next.
Kasi it's not only big in length, but also height. Pareho ng ito. So, ganito siya.
Oh, perfect. Next.
I feel like just to be here are all winners.
So, paano yun? Okay. Amazing. Buti na itawid mo yan, Neil. Nilaban mo yan. Exactly. Okay, our last 2 words. Hala, ang interesting naman ito. Parang gusto ko 3 words. Okay, our last 3 words. Our word is sex bomb. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Hala! Okay! Hala! So, sinagot mo na for everyone, no? Tag-iisa kayo. So, audience, judges, pasok ba? Pasok, grabe. Grabe naman, ang babait naman ng ating mga judges. Last 2 words. Our last 2 words. Word is selfie. 3, 2, 1. Hala, ang cute! Group selfie. Hala, very tayo talaga. Buo na sila, hindi man lang selfie. Groovy na agad. Amazing. And our last word. Our last word is pabebe. 3, 2, 1. Alright, thank you so much sa aming mga pabebe finalists. Thank you for your energy, and we will be coming back with our next set of finalists after this break.
Hi! The Bio Youth Collective is an org that believes in youth empowerment as a primary pillar for sustainable development. The Bio Youth Leadership Summit is an advocacy-building program designed to empower youth leaders from Bio 1 to become active stakeholders in pursuing sustainable development.
The Leaders Council of Sacred Heart School Ateneo de Cebu strives to excel, lead, and serve by empowering the youth. We do this through our project Love to Learn, Learn to Earn, which aims to help in the holistic development of children in conflict with the law by transforming them through scouting.
We are the Order of Asclepius, a medical student organization that promotes health and wellness in the community. Our project is Barang Aiders, which equips communities with knowledge and skills on emergency response through lectures, demonstrations, and IC materials.
Set Forth Philippines aims to close the educational gap of underprivileged Filipino children. Through Project Educaction, we provide equal and accessible quality education through holistic, sustainable, and transformative learning opportunities for all Filipino children.
Hi, we are the Youth Empowering Youth Initiative Incorporated, and our project is Sagup Negros. This project aims to lessen food waste generation in the local markets and provide income support to our local market vendors by turning rescued food into good food.
Welcome back to our Pabebe finalists!
At na segment na to, medyo behave tayo. Kasi parang napagalitan na tayo kanina, dami na nangyari. Hindi na kami pinagalitan, hindi kami KJ, no? Oo, pero anong game natin ngayon, Trish?
Okay, our next game, sobrang dali lang nito. Ginagawa natin to nung elementary. Before that, let's call our finalists first para isahang tawagan at isahang instructions na lang. First, Representative Tanya Refugio from Act Now for the Now. Renko Godiel from Ibayo. Coco from Ibayo Youth Collective.
Mark Soto from Project Tala. Ayan Embradura from Iligan Safe Space. Colleen Awit from Yay Initiative.
Yay! This game guys. So, sana naman, nireview nyo yung briefers na binigay ng secretariat. Like we said, seryoso na tayo tonight. Okay, we'll be giving you a set of questions. So, paunahan mag-raise ng inyong arrow and shout, Siklab! Yes, pupuntahan namin kayo with a mic and you have to say the answer. Got it? Got it. All right, let's do one sample. One sample first. All right, let's do this.
Pero wait lang, alam nyo na yung participants natin, di nila alam kung anong ang game ang kanilang lalaroin. So to be fair, di nila alam na bigla silang magti-trivia or biglang magdadarna or stuff like that. But our finalists are very diverse and versatile. Versatile. Minus ka na, ginajudge mo ko ng ganyan. But yeah, right. So our sample question is, sample pa lang to. Ano ang tawag sa ginawa ni Gab kanina? Ni Gab. Anong tawag?
Voguing.
Voguing. Tama ba yun, Gab? Tama. Okay, ganun lang. He knows stuff. So, tama, ganun lang. My question, itaas yung arrows or quitis, tapos sigaw ng siklab. Gets po ba? Tapos pambata lang talaga siya. Napakadali, guys. Ha? Hindi kayo ma-eliminate, huwag kayo mag-alala. Babawasan lang namin sa score niyo sa judging. Okay, our first question is, when was Tayo Awards Foundation founded?
2002?
Tama! Tama! Okay, 1 point for the House of Gryffindor.
Next question. Sa wikang Gen Z, ano ang ibig sabihin ng oomph or OOMF? Oomph, OOMF. 5.
Parang hindi nila alam lahat. Mga 50 plus na ba kayo, guys? Ano yung Y sa tayo?
Payang. Yes.
Youth.
At ang meaning ng OOMFI, youth. Okay, that's good that you tried. But try harder. Anong meaning ng OOMF? Sirit na ba? Siret. Ang meaning ng oomph ay one of my followers. But fun fact, as a Gen Z, para sa akin, I use oomph as parang when you cringe or when you disagree into something, para siyang parang gano'n. Pag sinabi niya na, huy, alam nyo ba, yung carbonara kanina mas masarap talaga. Kaya kaso panis. So sabi nila, gets nyo ba yung ano? Ito ay para sa inyo kung di nyo gets yung oomph, guys. So kung di nyo gets, huwag nyo nalang gamitin. Pero in the defense of whoever made this, ano kasi siya, dinedebate sa Twitter kung ano talaga meaning ng oomph. So ganyan ka-complicated ang buhay ng Gen Z. So okay. Next question. Ano ang title ng ating national anthem?
Lupang Hinira.
Oh, bakit mo alam yun? Tama! So, 1 point. Hindi ko naman gustong sabihin, pero 0, 0, 0. Alamin natin ang score. 0, 0, 0. Next question.
Sa K-pop group na Twice, ilang members ang meron sila?
Walang clue.
Less than 10.
7.
No. 9. Yes, 9. So, dahil dyan, mag-pop-pop ka muna dyan sa camera, please. Pop-pop. Oh, game. Oh, Faye, sample daw. Pop. Sample ang ating program officer. Papa. Pop. Thank you sa ating sudden guest, Program Officer Faye Castillo. Next question.
Sa logo ng Tayo 20, ilang tao ang makikita sa Tayo Trophy? Ay, tama! 5 po ang mga tao doon. Pero hindi silang 5. Oy, gusto ko lang sabihin na 1 all except...
And our last question. Sino ang bunso ng Thai 20 national... Allah. K. Bunso B. 5,
4, si ano? 3, 2, 1, si Therese.
Yeah, amazing! Thank you so much. Ang 1 all, okay, tiebreaker. Last question.
Tiebreaker worth 100 points. Sino ang tinaguriang Philippines Pop Rock Royalty? Ilan? Uy, sige, hindi ko na magbibigay ng example ha. O, sino?
Hindi ko alam si Yeng ba? Yeng Constantino?
Actually, tama ka doon! Si Yeng Constantino! At dahil dyan, makakatanggap ka ng Pangkabuhayan Showcase galing sa Coca-Cola and San Miguel Corporation. Ating palakpakan ang ating one of the top 20 finalists ng tayo. And sa aming pagbabalik, atin na uling makakalaro ang last batch ng ating finalists. Paalam at see you again.
Dalaygon mga higayla, we are the Iligan Safe Space, a community of diverse people celebrating each other's individuality. Through our safe space sessions, we facilitate empathic listening, knowledge sharing, and mutual healing.
Salam, I am Asiya of Shafat Agriculture Cooperative. Our project is called Mushroom for Change, an innovative solution to create alternative source of livelihood by utilizing rice straw waste to support our community.
SK Kalumpang of General Santos City has the widest youth reach in Region 12 because of its population being the biggest in the region. Pandemic Within a Pandemic program, or Pande-Pande, is a holistic approach towards helping young people living with HIV through IEC campaign, medical care, and psychosocial care.
From the second most outstanding SK out of 182 barangays in the city of Davao, we are SK Taloma River. Honored and proud to present our online mathematics enrichment program on pre-calculus subjects, the Project Descartes.
Bayanihan sa Agrikultura para sa Kabatanunan, Kaumahan ug Katubigan is a non-profit volunteer group in CDO. It is a year-long agricultural leadership and business incubation program for the Cagayanon youth ages 18 to 30 years old.
Welcome back! It's our last batch of national finalists. Pero guys, bago kayo mag-offline, we have bonus content after this batch. So please stay tuned. So, for our last batch of national finalists, let's call on our players! Ito na. Ready na ba kayong mabingi? Again, for the next 3 seconds, Miss Eza Lambatan! Oh, from the City of Golden Friendships, Miss Eza Lambatan. Next, City Asia, Mai. Next, Raymart Garcia. Oh, lovely. From the city of Quezon City. Next, Robin Mijares. Next, ito, feeling ko dapat hindi magpatalo. Last but not definitely the least. Guys, let's all give it up for Rod Charlie De Los Reyes. Na-shy na siya ng slide kasi parang hala ma-upstage niyo daw si Ezel na nasa gitna. Okay. Okay. For everyone's safety, SPG-13 nata ang section na ito. Ang views and opinions ng ating players does not reflect the opinion and
again. The views and opinions of the host do not reflect those of the management, the views.
Yes, but you get it. All right. Our game is guess the song. Madali lang, 'di ba? Pero ang twist natin will just be playing the song for 1 second. Oh, pakak. Kerry? 1 second. Alright. So, kung sasagot kayo, same as the last batch, taas lang ng pointers and say, Siklab! And then we'll give the mic to you.
Dapat may tono kasi guess the song. So, Siklab!
Okay, perfect. Kayo na pumili kung anong song yung gusto nyo. Okay. Are we ready with our music? Let's do a trial. Okay? In 3. Isa pa. 1, 2. Meron sa audience gusto sumagot. Okay. Pwede ba 2 seconds? Okay, 2 seconds. 3. Ay, ayan.
Sabi niya, teka lang naman kasi. Ata pa, ginigate-keeping yung microphone ni. Ano yung guess mo?
Kanta ni Miley Cyrus.
Ano yung kanta na yun?
Hindi ko alam yung title eh.
Disqualified ka na. Is she close?
No! Okay. 3 seconds po, Miss DJ. Halabi! Nakakahiya! Oh my gosh! All the fandoms!
Yung mga nanonood ngayon na mga fandom, ito yung mga ika-cancel nyo.
Okay. May special request ka ba?
Yung mga Cynthia Patag dyan o yung mga Eagles.
Okay. Para sumagot sa ating sample, I'm gonna call our bunso. Therese, come here. Sinasabi ko sa'yo kung isasayaw mo pa, mas masaya ako.
Okay, sure, no problem. So the song is Anti-Fragile by La Seraphim, and it goes like this. Anti-fragile, fragile, anti-fragile, anti-fragile.
She really said, I'm the next participant. Player ka ulit. Thank you so much, Therese. Okay, gets na ang game. So, pa-update na lang po siguro yung playlists natin to this current generation. Alright.
Tapos, teka lang, kitang-kita po natin dito yung titulo ng kantang yan kasi naka-laptop. Huwag na lang kayong mag-cheat kasi ilalaglag namin kay Stop 20.
Sabi ni Azal, may mirror naman daw siya. Kaya daw niyan. Okay, let's go for our first song.
God is a woman? Ay!
Mali!
Hindi yan.
Yung dalawa, tama. Okay, 2 seconds. Let's go for 2 seconds, okay? 3, 2, play.
Favorite thing?
Wrong!
Okay, 3 seconds, Miss DJ. Clue!
Sikat to siya sa mga kasal. Hahakdog, hindi nyo kasi alam yung kanta.
Sabi ng ating audience, God give me you.
Siret na.
Siret?
Play natin yung song, Siret. Ito ay 7 Rings by Ariana Grande. Yeah.
Ayan, nagagalit na po ang ating audience. Okay. Our next song. Play for 1 second, please.
Jopay? Ay!
Jopay! Alright. Oh, sige. Okay. Jopay. Bigay na. I-give na natin. Jopay. Pa-play naman po. Kantahan mo naman ng ilang seconds, B.
Gusto kong mawala. Charot.
Eme lang daw. Eme lang. Okay. Alright. Next song. For 1 second.
Siklab. My God, Mental Block, Ben and Ben by... Nauna yung artist. Sure ako, Ben and Ben yan.
Okay, time is up. Ben and Ben, bye. Sinong kumanta ng Ben and Ben? Gawin natin 2 seconds. Rated. Oy, PG. Mali yung, shoot yung guess mo. Mali yun. Oo. Yun lang naman yung kasi gusto niyang sabihin. Nag-guess lang siya. Wala ba, si Ret? Grabe naman, isa pa lang yung nakakatama sa inyo. Wala? Okay, 5 seconds. Bilang gusto natin ng Ben and Ben.
Habang buhay?
Oh, si Club, habang buhay. Oh, mali. Gusto ko yung gusto ko yung confidence siya, pero super classy. Like, oh. So, audience, kantahin natin. Ay, sige, oh. Mag-steal daw siya. Sige, bilang naka-green siya.
Araw? By Ben.
Okay, araw daw. Mali.
Si Club, araw-araw.
Finally! May nakatama rin. Pwede bang kantahin natin ang chorus? Hindi niya kaya kasi, nangopya lang siya, sabi ng audience times 2. Okay, dalawa na ang ating naka-plus points. Plus points. Dalawa na naka-puntos. One more song. Umalis kayong lahat dito kung di nyo yan alam. One more. 1 second.
Salo. Tayong pagbabago.
Mali po. Mali.
Okay. Club. Tayo song OST.
Oh, lalabas yan sa YouTube. Ano ang sabi ng survey says? Tama pa rin. I-consider natin. Oo, tama. Pwede mo bang kantahin ang OST ng tayo?
Hindi ko lang. Palakpakan. Hindi ko alam.
At dahil dyan, dito nagtatapos ang ating, wait, naharap muna kami, kayo na masyadong exposed. At dahil dyan, medyo tapos na po ang ating palarong pang tayo or tayo talks na naging masyadong maraming laro for tonight. But bago kayo mag-exit, yung sinasabi po ni Trish na special episode, makakalaro po natin ang mga mabibigat na taong kilala nyo for sure. Sino-sino ba sila, Trish? O mamaya na?
Siguro preview. Ito yung mga taong nagpapagod sa mga tayo finalists. So ito na ata yung time. Parang ready na ata silang gumanti sa aming blank. You'll meet them later after this quick break. Sabayin natin. Welcome back to our special segment for this episode of Tayo Talks. Gaya na sinabi ko kanina, may pa-preview tayo kung sino ang ating dodog showin at this part of the show.
Pero syempre, dapat matamis yung paghihiganti ng ating mga finalists. Pero masaya ako na exempted tayo sa segment. At wag mo yan sinisilip dyan. Sinasabi ko sa iyo, makikita nila. So ngayon, tatawagin natin ang ating mga nagpapahirap sa ating finalists. And it's their time to be dog showed, if that's a word. First off, we have our Executive Director, Ryan Solano. The mother of all finalists, Jasmine Hallandon-Litskels. Ang nagmamayari ng hotel na ito, Von. At syempre, ang nagmamayari ng buong kumpanya ng Coca-Cola PH, Miss John. John. Nakamukha ni Rose. Tingnan nyo naman. At of course, the birthday boy! Gab! Birthday na ni Gab, Gab. Birthday na ni Gab, Gab. Birthday na ni Gab, Gab. Birthday! Mga sex bomb yung ating secretariat. Okay, pwede na po kayong umupo, mga tayo. Mga katayo. Hindi siya kasali kasi siya yung mga alam niyan. So, ang mangyayari dito, friends, ang mga cups na ito ay nilagyan namin ng mga pampakalma para di na natin sila pahirapan. So, yung gagawin nila, may nakasilat yan sa likod. So, ang gagawin nila, bilang mga familiar na sila sa mga produktong nasa loob nito, huhulaan nila at i-differentiate kung ano ang anong ito. So, kung English which is which. Hindi ko alam kung anong Tagalog nun. But like, yeah. So, for example, nilagay namin sa isang cup na to ang Royal. Tapos sa isa, Minute Maid. Kailangan nilang hulaan kung saan dito ang Minute Maid, saan dito ang Royal. Siyempre, kung hindi nyo yan mahulaan, ibig sabihin, hindi nyo tinatangkilik yung produkto na nagsusponsor sa inyo. Diba? So, ang kapal ng mukha niyo. Galit na galit. Okay, so gets ba yun, mga matatalinong tao dito? Gets? Okay, so, bilang mga magkakapatid naman tayong lahat dito, okay lang ba na mag-share tayo ng cups? Tapos, disclaimer, pasa-pasa, disclaimer, nag-antigen po kami, sponsored by tayo. Sponsored yun by tayo. Nag-antigen kami, so we're all safe and we're locked down here. So let's go first to the easy part. Parang inom na inom ka na, Trisha. You cover the bottom and protect the bottom. We love to protect the bottoms. Siyempre, diba? So, easy part muna tayo. Bilang easy, personally, Trish, I expect them to guess this.
No, by drinking. Okay? Okay, ikaw mag-facilitate. Alright, so the option for this first drink is Minute Maid or Royal. Oh guys, diba? Royal True Orange.
So, mamaya nyo na hulaan ha. So after kung pa-drink kayong lahat, saka na namin kayo tatanungin kung ano yon. Okay? Bawal mag-usap-usap. Okay?
Ala, yung isa dito, hindi ako nagsusoft drinks. Sip lang. Hindi naman natin papalagukin. Alright? Amen. Hindi, isa. Oo. Guys, communion. Tayo kami. Ang hassle. Huwag nyo na lang tignan yung puwet nung nung baso.
Oh my, hindi kami same na first and second.
Oh, ayan na yung sample ni Jem Job. Fail ata yung first round. Okay. Ang first cup po natin ay nakay Rhina. First cup. And then the second cup for Ryan. First cup with Von. Second cup with Von. Okay. Okay.
Uy, sabi nila parehas lang daw may mga COVID. That's the point. Mahirap talaga. Oo. So, bigyan ko kayo ng 3 seconds para mag-isip. 3, 2, 1, done. So, huhulaan nyo kung ano yung second one na tinikman nyo. Okay? Second one, oo. Second one. Sabay-sabay. In 3, audiences, tingnan nyo yung ano nila, mga bibig. Ito. This one. Second is what drink? In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so audience, meron tayong nag-guess. So majority of them guessed Minute Maid. Yung isa, sabi niya Royal, malalaman natin to. Akin na yung second cup. Hindi. Darker kasi yung first cup. Yung second cup yung Malalaman natin kung anong dito. Pakibasa po. Minute Maid! So, ang nagmamayari ng Coca-Cola PH, ang nagkamali. At let's proceed to the next round. Sige. Titikman nila ngayon ang first cup. Mimi, takpan mo, Mi. Takpan mo. Oo. Ayan. Mamaya na. Cup 1. Okay, cup 2.
So that's cup A. Umiikot na ang ating cup B. Ano ba yan? Okay. Okay. So ano ba ang masasabi mo sa cup B?
Cup D, meron ako isang box.
May isang box daw siya ng cup B. Alright. Okay. So
nadi-deliberate sila kasi medyo yung iba, di pa nila natikman yung isa. Ha, hindi yan group effort. Huwag kayong mag-discuss sa each other. Gets kong team tayo. Hulaan nyo yung... napaka-competitive. So, huhulaan nyo yung gitna. Okay? Yung second cup. Pala desisyon, ako nag-prepare nito. So, yung second cup ay... At least honest sila kahit tanga-tanga yung diba? Hindi sila tumingin. Actually, tinest ko lang kung gaano sila ka-desperate of winning. Oo. No matter. Oo. Yung third, yung papahulaan natin. Oo. So, ang third cup in 3, 2, 1. Wilkins, water. Wait lang, wag muna. Okay, so alamin natin kung tama yun, Trish. Ito ay H2O, water. Tama. Ngayon, hulaan nyo ang first cup. In 3, 2, 1. Ay, hindi kayo.
Sprite? Lemon Dew. Parang Sprite.
Sprite yun? Sprite.
So, dalawa yung nag-Sprite. Tatlo yung nag-Sprite. Isang nag-Lemon Dew. Tapos isang ng Sprite and water. Para daw na mix. So, ngayon, alamin natin kung ano. Ito ay Sprite and water. Napakahirap nun pero nahulaan mo na may halo. Now, ito yung hardest part. Kasi kung hindi ito mahuhulaan ni Jad, matatanggal siya sa trabaho. Ang laman ng mga cups na ito ay Coke products. Specifically yung Coke na black. Okay? Pero, iba-iba to. Sasabihin ko ba, Faye, kung anong... Sasabihin ko ba kung ano? Okay, so may Coke Light, may Coke Zero, at may Coke Original. So, aalamin ninyo kung saan dito ang light, saan dito ang zero, at saan dito ang original.
Parang may mawawala ng suporta. May bumubulong sa akin. Ay, hindi kasi ako nagsusoft drinks and nag-coke. Hulaan na lang natin kung sino later. Parang wala. Baka guni-guni ko lang. Delulo moment. Okay, first cup. Okay, first cup. They have to guess again if it's Coke regular, Coke light, or Coke Zero. Yeah, there is a difference. As Coke connoisseurs na laging umu-order pag lunch. Okay? Second cup, umiikot na po. It's sugar. Okay, let's see. Ayan. Na-release na rin pala ang ating third cup. Hala guys, hindi kayo nag-freshen ng inyong palettes. Ayan na po.
Ngayon, masaya kong unahin natin yung taga-Coke. So, bilang ako, parang mas may trust ako sa judgment ng taga-Coke, syempre, kasi sa HQ nila, unli consumption yun eh. So, John, ano ba yung cup number 1? Sige. Walaan nila isa-isa kung ano yung 1, 2, 3. So, you just say it in a particular order, ha? 1, 2, 3. Go.
Regular, light, zero.
Same. Regular, light, and zero. Oo, same.
Tapos kokopyahin lang din ang tatlo yung answer niya.
Light, zero, regular.
Regular, light, zero.
Light, regular, zero.
Regular, zero, light.
So, malalaman natin ang order, ha? From here to here. Huwag niyong i-change. Memorize nyo naman, recorded to, ha? So, makikita natin. Ang first cup, tapan ko muna. Ang first cup ay Coke Original! So far, tama ang ating CEO, ang ating birthday boy, at ang second cup is Coke Light. Tama ka pa rin? Tama pa rin sila. Safe tayo, Coca-Cola Foundation. And of course, obviously, ubusin na daw. Coke Zero yung ating last na cup. Congratulations at hindi ka mo tatanggalan ng trabaho, Miss Jan. Sabi mo.
Thank you so much.
Okay, at yan po ang ating tayo Secretariat at Dinog Show natin tonight. Palakpakan po natin sila.
And just to close off our Tayo Talks episode, this is day 2 of our Tayo Week, Sick Lab Week. And so please stay tuned in our social media sites and even in your national representatives' social media channels. Wow, guys, vloggers! So keep updated. Hopefully, we'll see you in our live stream on the national awarding this Saturday. Thank you, everyone. Finalists!
Hanggang sa muli! Paalam! Bye-bye! Parang gawin bulilit. Come on, huddle! Huddle! Bye!
We have been with you for 108 years, sharing happiness and creating moments together. But now is the time, more than ever, to go beyond by showing up in times when we are needed the most, to reaching you wherever you may be, to serving the ones who need a chance to recover, to rebuild, to restart, to help uplift the lives of other people, while protecting and preserving the resources we all need to survive. It's time to do more than just good. Now is the time to give more, do more, be more. For you, for the communities we serve, for a better future shared by all. Coca-Cola, go beyond good.